In front of me is OPPO Reno 6 5G, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, you need to open the browser that you are using. In my case, it is Google Chrome. Then, this is the area which you will enter, this one. So then just tap on More icon and select History. Then go to Clear Browsing Data, and you will find here Basic and Advanced options. So under Basic, you can find Browsing History, Cookies and Site Data, and also Cache Images and Files. And then under Advanced, you've got a few more, which are Saved Passwords, Out of Inform Data, and Site Settings. So just mark those that you would like to delete, and then pick Time Range. I will choose All Time, and then tap on Clear Data. And if you truly want to remove all browsing data from your device's internal storage, and also from Google Chrome internal storage, just tap on Clear. And that's it. As you can see, from now on it is empty, so you can create history from scratch. And that will be all. This is it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.